So last week I built my personal rig upgrade, which was 0 to a good PC because I didn't have a PC before that.
0 to a good PC.
I didn't have a personal rig prior to that at the Wootware Wootbook, which Tank, we left him out. I got a personal rig upgrade, but Tank needs a personal rig upgrade. So we decided to help him out with that. But he has certain requirements. Like, he really likes the hideous black and red color scheme.
That's not bad.
It's not good. It's not good.
I like it.
So we have his PC here, which this is a Fantex P400 case, and he's worked to get the black and red scheme for the most part.
Also lost that.
Oh, you lost? Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would.
I mean,
Take that. So, also grab that, if you don't mind. Thank you. So you can see he has black and red RAM. He has a black and red motherboard for his Ryzen. You have a 1700?
yeah.
1700. And he just sold his GTX 1060 Gaming X, which was also black and red. And he's been borrowing this 580 from the office. But it doesn't fit with the color scheme. In fact, a lot of this is not nice.
Yeah.
Clean this out. It's really dusty.
It's better than it was.
Okay, well, regardless, put this down somewhere, please. Thank you. We decided to hook Tank up with this case that NZXT sent over. Instead of that plain white Fantex case, which admittedly still looks pretty decent, it's not quite up to the standard of what Tank wants.
Yeah.
Wait, can we do that again?
No?
Like literally.
So Tank needs a black and red case.
Yes.
Ugh.
Yes.
The reason this thing's so heavy is because we actually already have a system in here.
Oh, wow.
It's a Core 2 quad. I don't think there's a graphics card though. All right, you got that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this has the, This has the original Maximus in here. Oh, that's a sharp corner. So black and red, this is one of the cleanest. The red on this,
Oh, yeah. It's
fantastic. This cherry red, this isn't cherry, is it?
I don't know.
I don't care.
I'm colorblind.
Anyways, this is gorgeous. Like the candy coating on here is fantastic.
Oof.
And your graphics card's just not gonna do it.
No.
So I alluded to the box, but
It wasn't in there?
it's not in there. It's a set on Hot News.
It's a set on hot.
It's a set piece on Hot News. I think this will fit you a bit better, don't you think? A 1080 with GDR5X plus instead of that 1060 that you were rocking and that 580 you have now.
A little bit better, yeah.
A little bit better? Yeah?
Like 5%.
5%. Okay. Well, let's. Do you wanna do this or am I doing this?
Doing what?
Upgrading your PC.
What do you want to do?
That's not at all how this video is supposed to go.
Well, I've seen your cable management, so maybe I should do it?
Dang! Shots fired. How about I build the PC and you just manage the cables? Look at this. Look, you let him borrow a graphics card and he doesn't even secure it.
Where's it gonna go?
Oh my
it's
gosh!
secured.
No, I saw this flopping around in here.
I can't secure this part.
This is like a dolphin. It's just flopping everywhere.
Yeah. I like floppy things.
Moving on. Dang. Okay. I'm not sure you should get anything else. This is. Do you also have like a spare?
Hold up.
That's fine. It'll be all right. Do you also have a spare RGB strip, or did that come with the case?
Spare.
Did you buy this?
No.
Oh.
I have 2 of these cases.
You have 2 of these cases, so you jacked the one that was in the case.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to check how dusty the front is?
I don't, but let's do it anyways. That's not terrible. It's not great either.
That's after 2 days.
You cleaned this 2 days ago?
I cleaned those 2 days ago.
Oh, that's hideous. Dude, do you live like on a dirt road?
Yes.
Oh, there's even like residue on this side. Reece, come over here if you can. Behind the look at that. Look, Tank.
That is clean.
This is not clean.
Yes, it is.
If I can rub dust off with my fingers, that is not clean.
Can we see your system?
I'm not going in the house again. I'll tell you what. Let's do it. Let's get to building this. Okay, I was working on this and I had to pause it because of how debilitatingly gross the back of Tank's case is. Why?
No one cleans the back.
Oh my God. Okay, Reece, if you wouldn't mind. What is this?
There's probably some dead things back there.
Oh my gosh, no kidding.
Yeah, like actually. Dead
Oh
things.
my god, this is horrific.
I left everything the way it was because of this.
I'm not sure Tank should have any privileges. Oh man, you're lucky I'm a nice guy. Because otherwise I wouldn't necessarily. Can you promise me with this next one that you're actually going to try to clean out the back?
I usually do.
Please. You usually do? Yeah. When was the last time?
Last time I cleaned the back?
Yeah. What life do you live that this is 4 months worth of dirt?
It's just this one room.
Just that one room where all of the animals and all of the dust bunnies and all of the... Like, do you guys go in there and just like slough off your skin so that you can have dust in that room only?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. This is like, okay, you're gonna have to clean off this table after I'm done. Cause this is, look at all of this dirt on the table. What is this?
Dirt.
There are dead bugs in that.
I told you there were dead things.
Oh my, okay. Well, I'm gonna get back to disassembling this. Not that I want to, but why?
I did offer
You did offer what?
to do that.
To clean it out.
No, to get it out of that system. This is your fault.
I'm gonna be a big boy and clean this one up. The hell? Tank?
What?
Tank, come over here.
Why?
I just finished cleaning off Tank's PC, and this is the sheer amount of dust that came out of this thing.
That's not so bad.
Tank, for the love of everything.
It's not that bad.
It's horrible, dude.
It's gross.
That's really gross.
Just a little bit.
I need you to clean that up, okay?
I'm gonna.
Okay, please.
I've
Look
seen
at that.
worse.
You might have seen worse, but that's just awful. Oh my.
I like the different colors.
Oh my. You like the different colors?
Yeah, it's pretty.
What is that?
That's the dust you only get in the north.
That was in your power supply.
Yeah.
Do you feel bad?
Yes.
Do you?
No.
How bad do you feel?
This much.
Reece, did you see it?
Pretty bad.
Rikus, did you see it? Give me your penance.
My pennies?
Yes, go clean. How does you said this is 4 months?
Yeah.
How does one man accumulate so much dust in 4 months?
It's really dusty there.
Like, it's your life, so I don't want to make you feel bad.
It's not my life. It's my area. I need an actual cloth for this.
You got most of the big ones.
Just barely. Just moving them around.
Capture them. Feast on their souls, Tank.
I will. I'm not dust that grossed out by dust. I'm more freaked out by the dead things.
I think you're not grossed out by your own dust.
I wouldn't be grossed out by dust when I know where it came from.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what's going on in your house. I don't know
It's
where
a
you.
house.
I don't know where you hail from, Tank.
Dusty.
What kind of name is Tank, anyways?
Dusty kind. I shall disinfect. So clean you can lick it.
You want me to lick it?
I mean, I'll lick it.
Don't do it. Ah!
Now I have to clean that again.
No, I think your new PC should be built on the remnants of your saliva. Hey, you have a new PC now. I actually think you did a tremendous job on the cable management.
I don't think so.
No, look at this. So this is, here. Actually, I really love this feature of the NZXT case.
Ooh.
It's just a button to pop off the back so you can clean it easier. Just so you're aware.
And break it easier.
You did a great
apparently.
job, dude. I mean, there's obviously some small improvements you can make, but overall, like NZXT makes it really easy with these like routing trays
Those
that
are
they've
so
got
cool.
going on here.
I like this where I can actually wrap things around.
Yeah,
if I had thought
that's
about
pretty
them.
dope. Yep. Yeah, well, I gave you like 10 minutes to do this, so fair. We haven't tested if the system powers on yet, so we're gonna do that now.
It's not gonna.
Why? Did you not put the front panel on?
No, because I did the cable management.
Did you connect it to the front?
Yeah.
So why wouldn't it power on?
Because it
He
was
doesn't
me.
believe in himself.
Okay, that's fair. Tank don't believe in. Oh,
Hey!
hey! Wait,
Something's on.
that shouldn't have happened so quickly. I'll tell you what. I only flipped the switch. I did not hit the power button.
Well, clearly it's.
Let's see if the power button does anything.
Yep.
Yes. Okay, that actually
yeah.
works. You may want to redo your cable management, or at least plug in the fans. That might help. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking for some
knew it.
airflow. You know.
I knew it.
What? Did you plug that into the SATA power? Oh, it's loose.
Oh no.
Oh, it's loose. Okay. That shouldn't be that big of a deal, but I don't want to do it while it's on. I actually don't know if that's it. Yes, that was it.
Did it?
Yeah, it was just a loose. It looks like it might come.
Loose again once you close.
Yeah, like that's a pretty loose SATA connector right there. Like you might have to zip tie it here to here, like across, because that's a pretty loose connection that like caused the fans not to work. There's the fans. Now you actually have airflow. Steve would be disappointed with you if you didn't have proper airflow.
Let's not talk about that.
So how do you feel about your red and black build? I think you might have to change the colors on your cooler. And then you also have this LED strip at the top that you can also work on if you want.
It looks so good. I love it.
Are you planning on getting more RAM anytime soon?
I might get some RGB RAM. Yeah.
You want RGB and not red and black. You're gonna go. You're gonna
Well,
you're gonna abandon the color scheme.
I can make the
that
RGB red and black.
We just dedicated an entire case to you.
Yeah,
oh, I'm
right.
sorry. That Vengeance Pro. That top part is white when you turn off the LEDs.
And when it's turned to red,
Where are you getting the black?
spray paint.
Oh my, sweet turkey. Okay, all right. Well, you have your own plans. You have your own plans. I feel you. I feel you. I'm down with the sickness with you. Any comments on the system, this case?
It's awesome.
It's pretty easy to cable manage in.
I love the cable management on this. I've never had such an easy go of it.
And I will have to say, when NZXT sent us the red and black,
Yeah.
I was disappointed seeing it on the box. I was like, I wanted the
Yeah.
white.
Yeah,
I want what's actually. I'll bring it over here, Reece. Yeah, like if you look at the box for this thing, it shows that it's white. But then, hey, sorry, no, it's matte black and red. And seeing that, I was just like, oh, come on. My hopes were high with this. But after seeing the implementation of the red accents on this
They've
thing,
really done it well.
it works well. I'm happy with this.
Like it's not gaudy in any way. It's just red and black.
Tank, the only way that you are allowed to take this thing home is if you promise me that you're going to clean this one better.
Of course.
Pinky swear. Double pinky swear. Kiss on it? Too far?
That actually looks really good.
So Ryzen 7 1700, do you have 8 or 16 gigs of RAM?
16.
2666, sorry. Because that's all this ASRock board can handle. You have the 10A Gaming Plus from MSI now, and the NZXT H700i.
That case is so the winner here.
It's delicious. I still prefer my N2 Evolve, just because I like Fantex just slightly better, but this is gorgeous. I've got a new personal rig. Tank's got a new personal rig. Reece is on a broken MacBook. And Rikus. You're next. Once we get enough parts, we'll get you a new personal rig, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Sounds good. All right. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoy Tank. Double smash it if you triple smash it if you actually like Tank, and get subscribed if you want more Tank. And everybody in the comments say, we love you, Tank. I'm Brett with the UFD Tech Channel. This is Tank with the UFD Tech Channel. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see your smiling faces again in the next video. Love you too. You did the kiss. I mentally had to tell myself, don't do it. Don't do it. And then you went ahead and did it.
Yeah,
You violated all of the sanctity of my brains.
that sounds gross.